Okay, okay. Hold on, hold on.
It's on?
Hold on.
I'm gonna... This is awkward.
You made it! You made it! Fuck yeah! Yes!
I did. I have to see it.
Oh my god, you made it!
Oh my gosh.
You made it. Oh, yes!
Yeah! Yes! Oh my god. Call mom. Call mom.
Yeah! I got it to the Olympics! You made it to the Olympics!
Yes! I have to call mom.
Oh my god!
I'm also running out of gas.
Oh my god, how did Zeke know that?
Did
he
we were
know
out of
that
service.
before?
We were out of service. I wish I was wearing a bikini. It's from you're going to a watering hole. I'm going to the Olympics! Yeah! No, we looked it up online. I don't, it's on USA Cycling. Yeah! I know! So awesome!
And again, congratulations to Leah Davidson, who qualified for the Olympics today. Mountain bike. Apparently she's wearing a purple shirt. Good luck to you. Thanks again. Have a wonderful night.
Oh my god!
Wow!
Jog it! Jog it!
Oh my god!
Yeah!
Did you get that whole shower?
Oh yeah!
I am so glad.
Yeah, Leah! Yeah, Leah! Yeah! Yeah, Leah!
Good luck, Leah. Thank you. So psyched to spend it with you guys.
That was close.
Are you kidding me?
That was close.
Leah. What did it say? What does it say?
No! Are you serious?
What does it say?
Ride fast, pedal hard, and gold will be yours.
Leah, let's get
No!
That's so freaky.
You can't lie! It was cannot lie!
It was seriously close. That's
was
so
close.
weird. It
How
was
can-
close.
I don't know.
These two are tricky.
These two, you never know.
I don't know.
Metaphors are down here.
Well, how can you even get inside a cookie?
Oh! There's another.
How can you even get inside a cookie? No, see, how can you broke open the cookie? So how's that even?
You will be sharing great news with all the people you love. Wow!
That's so
Hello!
Oh yeah, that's right.
And here she comes in the closing ceremony in a Ralph Lauren uniform.